say thank you so much for watching my videos. When I first started this video channel, I had no idea what my channel was going to be like, and I had no idea if anyone was going to even watch. But I have been so overwhelmed by the amount of support. I can't believe I have reached 2,000 subscribers already. Going forward, I definitely will give all my videos as much attention and dedication as possible to provide you with the best content. So I'm so happy to finally reach 2,000 subs, and I just want to say thank you again.